As this crazy storm system drives its way out of the country, we have seen nearly 400 damaging wind reports, followed by the 10 tornado reports that we did receive. Overall, a lot of damage has been reported over multiple states. Here on the horizon, we are watching 2 storm systems to drive their way through the region, perhaps bringing some snow and maybe some more other concerns down the line. This first storm system will start to impact portions of the northern country later on tomorrow morning, as we are expected to see a bunch of snow wrap its way across areas of the Dakotas, moving in towards Minnesota and areas towards Wisconsin. Now, we can already start to see this system brew its way across areas of the northwest, as we are seeing a big shot of moisture driving its way through the country here. Taking a look at the current satellite imagery here across the northwest. So when it comes to the accumulation amounts, we are expecting nearly 6 to 10 inches being possible across areas of southern North Dakota, with locally higher amounts theoretically being possible. Now, as we drop south into areas of northern South Dakota, that kind of drops quite a bit. The snow accumulations does kind of drop, talking more the possibility of nearly 4 to 6 being kind of more the likelihood. Now, moving eastward into areas of Minnesota throughout the central state, we're talking maybe 3 to 6 with locally higher amounts being possible. However, areas towards Minneapolis kind of a little bit lower, as we are kind of towards that bottom of the snow line. Now, the snow does pick back up across areas of northern Wisconsin, talking nearly the potential of 6 to 10 inches. Nearly 8 inches is in the expectancy. Now, for the upper state of Michigan, we're talking maybe nearly the same, if not a little bit more, with locally amounts maybe up to 10 or so inches. Now, for the main state of Michigan, for the main peninsula, we're kind of talking maybe along the lines of 4 to 8 inches, with once again locally higher amounts being possible. Now, once again, the timing on this system will be starting here for early tomorrow morning, kind of around midnight here of the 5th. As we track our way down in time, the snow starts across the Dakotas, moves its way towards Minnesota, kind of tracking throughout the 5th into the early 6th here. And as we track away even further down into the evening hours of the 6th, this does kind of move its way out. So it should be gone by kind of midday on the 7th. Now, before we talk about the second, even bigger system, I want to go ahead and ask if you guys could hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 9,000 subscribers. So guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. You guys absolutely rock. All right, now for this next system, it's going to potentially be a lot bigger as we track our way down here in time, kind of for areas of the 8th, the 9th, tracking into the 10th here. We're going to start to see a lot of moisture build its way up across the country, perhaps bringing tons of snow a lot further south than this first system. Now, the system will track its way eastward according to the European model, the model we're looking at right now, potentially driving a lot of heavy snow across areas of the Midwest, the Plains, the Ohio Valley, and into portions of the Northeast, looking quite possible. So obviously, it is still a little bit early to talk about the accumulations and stuff like that, but it's something to keep out on the extended radar, as it might be something we should watch later down in time. Now, when comparing this with the American GFS model, there is a lot of differences here, but overall, the storm is expected to kick off here for the 10th, driving a lot of snow across the plains in the Midwest regions. This one has this low pressure system tracking a lot further to the north, kind of excluding areas here towards the Ohio Valley and portions of the Northeast. Not as much snow looking possible there. Well, anyways, guys, that's just what I wanted to share with you guys here, just a quick little update on what we could see down in time. If you guys did enjoy it, once again, consider hitting that subscribe button, leaving a like on this video. I know it's pretty short, but we do have a live stream coming on later on this evening. If you guys would be interested, it'll be starting around 8 o'clock. Then we'll be talking more about the personalized forecast for a specific area. If you'd be curious of what's going on near you, you might want to join that live stream later on. So once again, hit that subscribe button, turn post notifications on, and leave a like, my friends. We got some cool merch down in the description as well if you guys would be interested in checking all that out. But all right, guys, once again, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you here in the next one. Peace out, my friends. Stay safe out there.